Today, we're going to talk about rules and how rules give you information about how to do things. What do we do when we see a red light? We stop. What do we do when we go out to play? We tell someone where we're going.
Not until you've tidied your room. That's the rule.
And do we run in school? No, the rule is no running in the corridors. If you ask me, there are a lot of rules around.
I have a rule. Never bark unless barked at. But I was never any good at following rules.